Hi guys, it's Fancy Friday with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about wall decals. So as you can see on this wall in this media game room area, they have these snap-in wall treatments that are like three-dimensional, so they kind of give like a 3D look. They've chosen like a purple color. I really like it mixed in here with the gold and the black and the gray. But what it is they're like wall treatments that are like individual squares, and they snap in to each other to create a full wall panel. And as you can see, they have done the entire room in it, so it kind of gives added texture to the room, a 3D look, and just a glimpse of kind of poshness with the light hitting the walls. The light kind of cascades off each individual layer in the wall, and so that's just an added way that you can add some fanciness into a media or a game room or office wall or behind a bed. You can find these on like Wayfair or Amazon. They're really just called like three-dimensional wall squares that you can get. Again, they're fairly inexpensive. It obviously depends on the size of your walls, how many walls, and what you're doing, but they snap into each other. And I really like it. It makes a really fancy look. And that is Fancy Fridays for today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.
What?